Hello everyone. In this lecture of the essential calculus problems, I will solve limit as x approaches to 5, absolute value of x minus 5 divided by x minus 5. The problem is limit as x approaches to 5, absolute value of x minus 5 divided by x minus 5. And to solve the problem, let's start by checking whether direct substitution works here. And if we substitute 5 here, we get 0 divided by 0. Direct substitution gives us an indeterminate form of 0 divided by 0. And because direct substitution fails here, we must simplify the expression. And we need to look at the left hand and right hand limits. Okay. Limit as x approaches 5 from the right hand side, absolute value of x minus 5 divided by x minus 5 will be equal to the right of 5, x minus 5 is positive. So absolute value of x minus 5 will become limit as x approaches 5 plus, okay, will be x minus 5 divided by x minus 5. And this will be equal to 1. So the right hand limit here equals 1. Now for the left hand limit as x approaches 5 from the right hand side, absolute value of x minus 5 divided by x minus 5. Now, to the left of 5, x minus 5 will be negative. So, now for the limit as x approaches 5 from the left hand side, absolute value of x minus 5 will be minus x minus 5 divided by x minus 5. And this we can cancel them and we get here minus 1. So the left hand limit here equals minus 1. In this problem, the absolute value creates different behavior on the left and on the right. And because the one-sided limits are not equal, we say that limit does not exist. Limit as x approaches to 5, absolute value of x minus 5 divided by x minus 5 does not exist. Okay. In the next video, I will solve this limit as x approaches to 1 divided by absolute value of x minus 2 plus 1. See you in the next video.